wondering what I'm doing here with all these balloons. I'm having a party or trying to be a clown. I'm gonna have some fun with SFARs. We're out in the wind. Gonna set these up at different distances, and then I'm gonna see how quickly and easily I can get them to pop or shoot them with both the 16 and the 20-inch SFAR. To cap things off, I've got a can of tomato juice I'm going to set up at the furthest distance, which is pretty tiny. So let's get these set up and let's get shooting. Well, guys, you guys asked for it. We're going to do a side-by-side shooting here. Got 175 yards. I got blowing balloons in the wind, and I'm going to hit these freestanding. Then at about 200 yards, there's a red balloon way in the back, and then there's also a can of tomato juice sitting there. I brought my 10-round mag, so I'm going to try to hit these as quickly and as accurately as possible. So first, I'm going to start with the 20-inch, which is a little bit more precise, a little heavier, but this suppressor kind of compensates for the weight difference, and shoot these standing up. So let's get shooting. So let's see what I can do. Trying to go too quick. Well, there's 10.
Started out good, and then
let's see if I can finish
that yellow one kind of danced around on you.
It was. See, I gotta take my time.
And what loads are you using?
These are the 150 grain 308s.
Full metal jackets.
So let's see. I gotta take my time a little more. I don't know why I'm trying to go so quickly.
Moving targets are hard to hit quick.
Yeah, they are. So
if they're moving straight line, that's one thing, but when they're dancing around.
yeah, that wind has them all over the place. All right. I'm gonna take my time. I'm actually gonna, you know what? I'm gonna use this as a rest. Why not? Let's try this. I don't want to shoot the... tomato juice. I don't see it.
Go up above the red. Find your pop.
I dropped it down. All right. Well, that was a little easier than standing. Now we'll see how the 16 does. So
go tie up some new balloons, and
I'm going to see it first 10 rounds. If I can knock down the 7 balloons, and after I shoot 10, I'll use that as a rest, just to be fair. So let's go let this back lined up. Same situation with the 16. I only popped 2 balloons standing with the 20. I'm at a huge disadvantage with this 3x magnifier at 175 yards. This does not, it's not nearly as sharp. It does allow me to shoot quicker, so let's see if I can at least get more than 2 on this first round of 10, and then I'll use the UTV as a rest. So, fire in the hole, safety off first. Look at that. I got 4.
4 of them.
Not too bad.
Pretty quick shooting too.
Let's throw in another 10. See if I can't just finish her off. Once I got my point of aim, obviously there's a little bit of drop at 175 yards. The field of view is pretty wide open, so that worked pretty well. Here's where we left off. Oh, hard to see that tomato juice. Where is she? There it is. Well, I did not get the tomato juice. I got everything else. I only got 1 shot at the tomato juice. Let's, I'm gonna put in 10 more and see if I can't just finish it off with that tomato juice. All right. Hard to find her. Oh. My glasses are fogging up. Hold on. Take my glasses off.
Can you see without them?
I can see. Yeah, there it is. I got her. Nope. There's a red balloon right under it, so it's messing with me. Yeah, I'm having a hard time even seeing it. Huh. Yeah. Can't even see it.
Want me to take a look?
If you want to look, you can here. Come on. Oh, there it is. I don't think I got her.
Well, throw 1 round in for me. I'm going to see if I can hit that thing.
Yeah, here, put 5 in. It's so hard to see, it just really is.
I think I know where it is.
So hard to see, isn't it?
Yeah, I think I see it. Hard to tell. The dirt's so kicked up around it, but I think I hit on that second one.
There's 5. Nice shooting. This got 30 rounds through it. The other one got 20. As we know, this is obviously not built to be as precise as the 20-inch, but it was quick. I was able to get more standing with this at that distance right off the bat. They each have their advantages. They really do. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for me. I do this for you. Take care. God bless.
How about that?